Birthmarks. Introduction. Birthmarks are usually caused by injury to the skin during delivery. Select true or false. Correct. Birthmarks aren't caused by injury to the skin during birth. No one knows what causes many types of birthmarks. Vascular birthmarks happen when blood vessels don't form correctly. Select true or false. Correct. Two types of vascular birthmarks are hemangiomas and port wine stains. Pigmented birthmarks are made of a cluster of pigment cells which cause color in skin. Select true or false. Correct. Pigmented birthmarks can be many different colors, from tan to brown or gray to black. Some pigmented birthmarks can even be blue in color. All birthmarks should be checked by a healthcare provider. Select true or false. Correct. Your baby's healthcare provider will be able to tell if the birthmark needs treatment or if it needs to be watched for any changes. All birthmarks may be treated with laser surgery. Select true or false. Correct. Sometimes birthmarks don't need treatment. Some birthmarks go away on their own.
Thank you for using Explain.